Students, I am Revati. Welcome back to my channel. This video, step deviation method for continuous data. So, first formula, mean equal to x bar equal to small letter a plus small letter h into summation I equal to 1 to n fi into ui divided by summation I equal to 1 to n fi. Division is this side only. So, this is the formula. Here, xi equal to class mark. You know class mark, how to find class mark. Here continuous data. So, class mark xi equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. The average only the class mark. Next one frequency fi. Fi equal to frequency. Next one small letter a is the assumed mean. Next one here ua is there na. ua is equal to xi minus a divided by h. Here xi minus a is di. Di equal to xi minus a. Okay. Here h equal to class width or class size. You know what is the class width? Class width formula is upper class limit minus lower class limit. Next one summation I equal to 1 to n fi. This one is total number of frequencies. Okay. So mean equal to x bar equal to small letter a plus h of summation I equal to 1 to n fi into ui divided by summation I equal to 1 to n fi. So x bar equal to small letter a plus h into this, instead of this value we can write u bar. Here u bar equal to summation I equal to 1 to n fi into ui divided by summation I equal to 1 to n fi. This is step deviation method for continuous data. Okay. So next we draw the table. Class interval. We make the table for step deviation method. Class interval first one. Next one fi frequency. Next one xi class mark. Next one di. This value is there now. First you find this value. After that you substituting here. So di equal to xi minus a. Here ui equal to xi minus a by h. Here we can write ui equal to di by h. Anything you can write. This is this or this. Next one fi into this ui multiplication. So next total you find total number of frequency summation fi and this one summation fi into ui. So two values you will get. So substituting these values in the formula you will get the mean bar value x bar. So this is the step deviation method. Okay. We already saw direct method for discrete data and continuous data, both two types. Next assumed mean method for continuous data. This one last one is step deviation method for continuous data. Three methods are there. You can choose any method. You will find for mean. You will find the data for mean. Okay. That's all this video. If you have any doubts, tell me in comment section. If you like this video, like and subscribe and click the bell button. Then only you will get by other videos. Thank you.